Hey there, sneakerheads. Welcome back to the Business Promote. Today, we've got something truly special for you. See the Travis Scott X Air Jordan 1 Low Aug SP Black Phantom. Before we dive into this unboxing, I want to give a huge shout-out to our sponsor for today's video, CBMLINet. They're your go-to destination for premium sneakers, including Air Jordans, Adidas, and accessories, all at unbeatable prices. Now, let's get into it. CBMLINet is your ultimate destination for all things sneakers and accessories. They've got an incredible selection of Air Jordans, Adidas, and more, all at prices you won't believe. 0 to V. Whether you're into the latest Jordan drops or classic Adidas kicks, CBMLINet has something for every style and taste. And the best part, don't have to break the bank to look fresh. But don't just take my word for it. See, the quality speaks for itself. Each pair of shoes is crafted with precision and attention to detail, ensuring both style and comfort. So what are you waiting for? Head over to CBMLINet right now to check out their latest offerings. And be sure to click the link in the description box below to shop directly from this video. Thanks again to CBMLINet for sponsoring this video. And to all our viewers, remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more amazing content from the Business Promote. Until next time, stay stylish.